Hello everyone, this is Sweet Meadow. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a spinach salad, which isn't so traditional. We're used to seeing spinach salads with lots of bacon and lots of other types of goodies, but this is a spinach salad that the recipe I came up with after being diagnosed with breast cancer. I came up with just Googling the nutritional value of certain foods and putting all those foods together, some of those foods together, not all of them, but putting a lot of those superfoods, antioxidant containing foods together in a salad that would provide my body with just a lot of antioxidants. And so I want to share that with you guys today. There is a lot of nutritional value in each of these ingredients, and I encourage you to Google everything that I'm putting in this salad. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the descriptions down below today. But this is a powerhouse salad of nutrition when you are trying to build your body back after chemotherapy, radiation, all the harsh treatments that we go through. This is a salad that is it's just full of, like I said, it's a powerhouse salad. It is full of nutritional value, and also it's also a great salad for those of you who are looking to lose weight. You're getting a lot of nutrition without taking in an awful lot of calories. So it does have a dual purpose. I'd like to make my channel more interactive with my subscribers. So today I'm going to read off a couple of comments from my subscribers, and I would just like to say thank you. My first comment that I'm going to address is from Beth Coddington. She says, "Sweet Meadow, what beautiful content. Both my husband and mother had cancer, but were lucky enough to be survivors. God bless you. I will continue to watch." Thank you so much, Beth. That means a lot to me that you're going to continue to watch. I hope what my channel brings to you in knowledge will help those you love who are suffering from cancer or surviving cancer, and continue to work hard on being a survivor, because we never know when our cancer is going to return. Just because we get a clean bill of health one day does not mean we don't have a reoccurrence, such as the situation I'm dealing with. Adventures in Dixieland says, "Great information, big like in all caps." Thank you, Adventures in Dixieland. I try very hard to bring as much information in my descriptions in all my videos. I spend a lot of time in the descriptions to give you as much information as I can. And Miss Shante, 5 green hearts on my rosewater video. Thank you, sweetie. 5 green hearts. You're right there with me with all the greens and the environment and understanding what my purpose is. With those 5 green hearts, that meant a lot to me, girl. And I love green tea, and great unboxing is what she wrote on the green tea video. Thank you so much, Miss Shante. I really appreciate your support. So let's get this salad built. It is I ran out of clear bowls, so I'm going to use a square. I wanted to keep them clear so you see the ingredients and can appreciate the colors and the beauty of this salad. It looks as beautiful as it tastes, and it's a wonderful salad. That's about all I can say. So what I'm going to do is move a few things out of the way so I can show you what I'm doing here. So of course the first thing we're going to do to build this salad is we're going to put some spinach in our bowl, and I'm going to tell you that everything has been washed, everything is organic, everything is prepped. My hands have been washed. Okay, so we have spinach as our first ingredient, and then I encourage you to read the nutritional value of spinach and cilantro and what it does for our body. And I'm going to sprinkle some cilantro in this spinach salad. Put these aside. Okay, then the next ingredient I'm going to do is wheatgrass. You guys have heard me talk about wheatgrass in other videos. The dog food video, the homemade dog food video. Wheatgrass has an awful lot of nutritional value. I encourage you to Google wheatgrass. Let's see if you can get a good look at the wheatgrass. So I'm going to take some snippets of wheatgrass and I'm going to put them in the salad. These are kitchen scissors, so they're clean. So we put some snippets of wheatgrass in there, and then we're going to add strawberries. We have some strawberries in there. You could already see how beautiful this salad is beginning to look. And we know that berries have a lot of cancer-fighting properties. And so here we have raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry. And so we're going to add some berries to this spinach salad. And looks very colorful and pretty. I'm going to add some more blackberries and raspberries. Oops, there you go. It's stuck together. And berries are sweet. Then also we have red grapes. Red grapes have a lot of nutritional value. And like I said, Google the nutritional value of everything that I'm putting in this salad, and you will see that it is highly nutritious. So let's see, next what I'm going to add is, this is peaches. Actually, this is nectarine. My peaches weren't ripe. So this is, actually, I'm sorry, now that I'm looking at it, nectarine. And all this is fresh, organic. None of it is frozen. And then I have kiwi. I'm going to put some kiwi in this spinach salad. Like I said, it is not a traditional spinach salad, but it is really good. I encourage you to try it. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to add some hemp seeds, organic superfood. The reason why I'm going to add some hemp seed and dried bee pollen is because I'm adding some protein into this salad. And so I'm going to take about a teaspoon, and I'm going to sprinkle some raw, shelled, organic superfood hemp seeds. And then I'm going to add bee pollen, dried bee pollen granules. You have to be very careful with dried bee pollen because it can make or break the taste of what you're making. But you sprinkle just a little bit on, and there's a lot of protein also in bee pollen. Oops, knock something over there. Okay, and so looks like we have everything. So the last ingredient is actually our dressing, which is organic raw honey. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit, a little unprepared here. I thought it was completely prepared. We're going to take a little bowl, and we're going to scoop out a little bit of the honey. And what we're going to do is we're just going to loosen it up. And what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it like this, just right out of the container. You can see it looks like this. And we're just going to take some right out of the container, and we're just going to keep mixing it up, loosening it up, and mixing it up, and loosening it up a little bit until we get it softened enough to where we can dribble it. Okay, and it begins to look like this. And we just keep mixing it and stirring it up, okay, and softening it up. You don't want to put this in the microwave. You do not want to heat it because it's raw. It has enzymes, and you don't want to kill the nutritional value or these enzymes in this raw honey. But you can mix it up, whip it up, and stir it. And the reason is so you can dribble it. And you don't want to use too much of the honey. Now, I want you to take a look at that so far. Okay. And so you just keep whipping this honey up a little bit, and then it softens. And then what you do, if you can see, you could see me dribbling for the top of the fruit, just a little bit. Not very much at all. And then what you have left over, have it on the side. And then as you eat the salad, add more. And you just dribble it across all that gorgeous fruit. Okay, so this is your finished salad. I want to show you what it looks like. There's your finished salad. And then as you eat it, you could add more dribbles of honey and actually more bee pollen or hemp seed and enjoy. This is a very delicious salad. I usually make it up, put it back in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes because I like everything really cold. But you don't have to do that. This is ready to eat right now. Anyway, I am very grateful that I was able to share this with you. As you could see those blackberries peeking through. Oh, it's such a great salad. Anyway, all the ingredients will be in the descriptions below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share to those who may benefit from this channel content. All my content is designed to help those who are battling disease, who are battling cancer, and trying to build their immune systems back up. Please share if you know somebody who could benefit from the content of my channel. And bless all of you who have been affected by cancer. I hope to see you next time. You all have a great day. Sending love and blessings. Bye-bye.